Well, the fans are singing, the players have warmed up, the game is just moments from kick-off. They've elected to go for a 4-1-2-3 formation, a popular lineup that mixes a solid defence with an exciting attack. And this is the selection for the away side. Referee gets this match underway. De Jong. They've taken it down the wing. McAllister. Perfectly executed. What an opportunity! What a well-timed tackle. Now it's Diaz. Gakpo on the run. He did well to win the ball back. Abubakar, good defending there. Now it's Diaz. They've misplaced a lot of their passes. Lovely passing here. Good interception. Well cut out. Pulls the trigger. Oh, he gave the goalkeeper no chance. And that goal was his 25th for the club. Let's take a closer look at that goal now. Alexander-Arnold. Oh, well intercepted. Here's Van Dijk. Salah. Surely now he gets the goal. That's his second goal. Oh, we need to see that goal again. First 45 minutes are up, and one of these teams is firmly in control. It's 2-0. Some new players are on the pitch. Can they make an impact, though, in this second half? Alexander-Arnold. Salah. The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break. The assistant points his flag. It's a corner kick. They've decided to play it short. The shot well blocked there. He's almost celebrating. So unlucky. Subs are coming on and changes are being made. Booted forward by the keeper. They're moving the ball about so well. Really good possession here. Well read. He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all. Oh, he did really well there. Salah with the dribble. Oh, so close there. It'll be interesting to see how close that actually was. It looked like it was going in. Keeper put his boot behind that. Great dribbling. Lovely passing here. They're not going easy on the opposition today. They're hungry for more. Well, they needed to get that one away, and they have. There are signs of approval coming from the manager. His side have put in a good shift today. They've got the lead, but to keep it, they're still going to need to have their composure. Well, you have to say there's not much chance of a comeback here now. De Jong with the tackle. He's got the ball at his feet. Safety first, back to the goalkeeper. That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player. Well, the manager will be pleased with that result. Good boosting confidence for this team. Yep, no arguments there. Great performance from a player who really is in fine form.